Now we know how to do the home page and we know how to do the lesson activity builder. Let's now look in the gallery at the lesson activity toolkit because there's a lot of games in there as well that you can create and use in your lessons. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to create a new page. So we'll come down here to our last page, create a new one, go to our gallery, and then when you're in the lesson activity toolkit, you see that you have lots of options. So your activities, if you click on that, it's going to give you lots of the different names of the games and things. So here are the names of the games. You've got the anagram, which looks like this. And I'm not going to go through everything, but when you click on the edit, you can add all of your words and clues and images here. So this is how you would actually create what you want. You've also got category sorts. Those look like this. So you can put things in correct categories. They all have the same edit function. This is where you use images. When you click on this, you would actually drag images to this. So let's say you wanted to do another sort, but you wanted kids to use the images. Oh, let's not. I'm sorry. We need to put at. Whoops. And then an. And so then I can find pictures that would go. So I can just go in, type in cat, find the cat that I want, and drag it into that box. And it's just going to go in there. And then maybe I want to find a picture of a can and go to pictures. There's a can, so I'm going to put it in the and section. And then I can just keep looking for different pictures to go in there. And then you can also, let me go back to edit, you can also make it where you have fewer images. So maybe I just want the 2 images. Say OK. And then I can sort by cat, at, and I can check my work, and the kids can see that they've got it right. So you can do that with pictures. You also have the option of doing that with text as well. Hotspots is another interactive with maps and stuff. I've never played Hotspots. I don't really know what it does. So if you know about Hotspots, I'd love to hear more about how you use that in the class. Let's look at image arrange. Just see what arrange. Let's see what it looks like. Looks like you can put images in order. So that might be a good retelling if you were wanting students to retell. So you could put different images. Say you wanted them to tell beginning, middle, and end, or you wanted them to do more than that. Let's put that, and there you go. I'm not going to put any images in there for now. Let's do that. Let's do can again. Let's pretend this is like a story. Oh, I'm not supposed to do it that way. I messed up. Let's delete. Got to click on the edit, drag it in, drag it in, drag it in. Press OK. So I guess kids just move things around to the right, which happened first, second, and third, and then check, and they're all wrong because I had them in here like that. So I could think of lots of things you could do with that. So then we've got image select. Let's see what that does. Press edit. You've got different images, so we'll just put some more images in here and see what happens. Drag image. And I'm not sure. That's pretty big. Let's just do 3 images here. And then it looks like you have to label something. Or we can do handwriting. Say okay. Oh, okay. So when you click on it, there's going to be a picture, and then you can write your answer of what that is. So then you could put can in here. Can. Okay. So that's a neat little game. So there's just lots and lots of games. You're just going to have to go in and play with it and try it out. I mean, that's just the activities. Then you have examples that'll help you. So let's look at some of the examples that they might have. Like here's a hotspot. Since you don't know, since I said I didn't know what a hotspot was, we might take a look, and there's a way to watch a video that'll help you figure it out. We've got games, so we can add a board game. And so we could play checkers if we wanted. Crossword, deck of cards, dice. I mean, there's just so many things that you can do. I mean, you've got all the tools like putting words in the dice. You've got your firecracker. And that you can change the number, I do believe. I'm not really sure what the firecracker is. I think it's fun though. I don't remember what it is though. We'll have to figure that out. I think it's yeah. So maybe you do it like 10 seconds or something. I think that's what it is. Let's try that. So let's say we're going to give the kids 10 seconds to do something. I wonder if we can edit it. Yeah. Let's try 5. We don't want to spend too much time on it. And then you click on and then it counts down to the last stop. So that's pretty neat. So lots of fun, cool things in the lesson activity tool.